Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the Magento 2 CMS blocks and the CMS pages. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So, how to create the CMS pages, right? So go to the admin panel, content and the pages. Go to the admin panel. This is admin panel, right? Go to the content. Okay. So first of all, we have to go with the content, then pages, right? So here we have a content, then go with the pages, right? So first of all, login, right? So here would be the login, admin 123, logged in. Okay, allow, right? So go to the content pages. Okay, so here we have the pages, right? So pages, enter the page title and the URL. So you want to create a new page, just go to add new page, and here you have to add the page title and the URL key. Okay, so here we have the content, so you can add the content over here. Search engine optimization, URL, meta key, meta keywords, meta description. You can add pages in the website for the all stores or a specific store, you can mention over here, right? Then we have a design, then you can add the layout also. Okay, and here we have custom. If you have create the custom layout, then also add that one. Okay, custom design update. So this is the new theme or what, you can select the theme also and the layout also from here. Otherwise, this and this is not pretty much required, but the layout, if you want, then you can select the layout, right? So this is how you are able to create the pages and align the pages to the front end, right? And you can see that if I go back, there are few pages over here. That is the home page, and here you can view that home page. This is our home page, right? And this is our privacy and the policy page already built in. So view that page. This is our privacy and the policy page, right? Next, we have a CMS block. What is CMS block? CMS blocks are also called the static blocks, right? So allows you to create a reusable content that can be added to the different parts of your store, like footer. Below footer, I want to add everywhere some static blocks, right? So in the footer, I will I create a static block and add it, and it will throughout the website it will show like the sidebar, footers, product pages. Okay, so here there's a use, right? So go to the admin panel, content and the blocks, add a new block, add a title identifier, and then select the store view and click add content using the Visix editor or the raw HTML, and then click save. Okay, so here we go with this one. Let's go to the content. Here we have a content, we have a blocks. Okay, so add new block, right? Put the block title identifier where you can recognize unique should be there, and add the data or the HTML over there. Okay, or design the page accordingly, right? So what are the use cases? CMS pages, landing pages, informational pages, or the blog like content. CMS blogs, promotional banners, custom sidebars, reusable content across the multiple pages. So this is what about the CMS blogs, CMS pages and the blogs. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.